Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ronaldo Moore with PPG, and if you are a new viewer, welcome aboard. Hope you get something out of this channel. If you are a returning viewer, I hope you continue to watch and get something out of this channel. Haven't done one of these in a while, so I had to kind of put one together. The good and bad of residential construction. I think it's in part 2 or 3, I'm not sure. But we got framing, we got electrical, plumbing, mechanical, all good and bad. Residential construction. So sit back, relax. Hope we get something out of it, and I will see you again in the next one. All right, I'm back with some more violations. Looking at a attic access opening. And to the left and right are 2 mechanical units. I don't know if you can see that. That's a unit right there. And then there's another unit on the other side. The issue is the platform to each unit must extend to the access opening. You can see that platform stops right on that ceiling joist, and it's got to extend all the way over to that access opening, which is right there. Same thing on the other side. That platform going to that mechanical unit must extend all the way to the attic access opening. Back with some more code violations. I'm doing a framing rough. Brand new house. Code violation today is, and you're looking at a platform. You got stairs that are going up to a second floor platform. And the violation is we need hangers. Those joists running across that platform with no hangers at all. And I have talked about this one probably a gazillion times, but you have to seal the top of any HVAC chase going through the floors. That's a chase right there with the flex going through, and the top is open. You have to go back and use OSB, plywood. You have to seal the top. There's another one over here as well, behind this bathtub. It's a flex going through, and they left the top open. All right, I'm here to look at framing, and this is the bedroom, and I just happened to walk into the closet and look what I found. Why is this 200 amp panel in a walk-in closet in the bedroom? All right, this is the deck here. We'll go out and take a look at this deck. We'll go look down below. Missing the hanger there on that triple. Probably will need a post right there, 6x6 post to sit right there. Screws instead of nails for the joist hangers, which is a no-no. That beam to post connection there. Like he just took a piece of metal strap, bent it, and threw some drywall screws in there or something. I don't know. Wrong hangers for these joists. Look at there. Oh man, wrong beam to post connect. Well, we don't have a post to beam connection there at the corner. So we got a bolt that still hadn't been screwed all the way down. Ledger board, wrong size hanger. We got joist hangers missing. Joist hangers missing. We got this 4-ply here. Where's the hanger? Probably need a 6x6 post there as well. No hangers, just no hangers at all here. None, no hangers. All right, I'm back with some more code violations. Doing a plumbing final. You're looking at a sump pump. There's your check valve, shutoff valve. That's the drainage line for the sump pump. The violation is that that drainage line is entering that sanitary main from the rear. You cannot do that. That's the main right there going out of the house, but you cannot enter that main from the rear. You have to come in from the top. You cannot enter from the side of that sanitary main. You cannot enter from the rear. It has to be from the top of that main. All right, I'm back. I'm back with some more code violations. I'm doing a mechanical final. This is a renovated home. I'm up in the attic, and they just put a new air handler in this attic. And the violation is there's no service outlet for this unit in the attic, and that disconnect there. We got to secure that cable minimum at least 12 inches from that disconnect. So he could have attached it, secured it right there, but he didn't. So service outlet and secure the cabling from the disconnect. And there's an open box here up in the attic as well. I think that is running up to that lamp fixture, but yeah, it's an open box here up in the attic as well. I'm up in the attic now. Once again, there's your disconnect for this heat pump, and it's not strapped down at all anywhere. And this is a final, electrical final. Like this one here, this is at the other end of that triple. Yeah, they caught that low point, and they added 3 studs. That's what we need on the other end. All right, let's talk about attaching the engineered roof truss to the top plate on the exterior wall. Down here in Georgia, we are required to use what is called a hurricane tie or hurricane clip. I've heard it being called other names as well, but when that engineered truss comes over and rests right on the exterior wall of that top plate, and it nails to the top plate, and then part of it nails to the end of that truss. Let me know down in the comments if you guys use these engineered roof truss and what methods you guys are attaching, or what kind of connection are you using to fasten down these engineered truss. All right, let's talk about mechanical and plumbing in regards to a laundry room. Both contractors did a pretty nice job with this one. Let's kind of start with the plumbing first of all. We have the wash machine box, hot and cold water lines, got your water hammer arrestor for each line. You got your minimum 18-inch drainage standpipe for the drainage line. Goes over to a drainage line going down to the next floor, and you got your vent going straight up through the roof. You also have the bulker plate here at the bottom and 20 amp receptacle box for the wash machine. As far as the mechanical, we have the 4-inch exhaust duct, goes up through, got a strap so it's secured, goes up through the top plate. Don't like that he took it up through the top plate, but he did come back and install 2 bulker plates on each side to reinforce that top plate. Seal the opening with a hell of a lot of mastic, which is good. Set the 4-inch up through elbow over Use the UL listed 181 pressure tape at the elbow, and you set that up through the roof. And we have 30 amp receptacle box for the electrical. So that's kind of what you want to look, or what you want to see when you're looking at a laundry room.